Welcome to our Get and Submit Proof of Commercial Liability Insurance training. If you're trying to get commercial liability insurance and submit proof to Amazon, we're here to help make the process simple. Start by accessing our Insurance Accelerator tool in Seller Central. Select the Settings menu, click Account Info, and then click Business Insurance. The Insurance Accelerator tool includes a curated list of insurance comparison sites and providers, each of which offers competitive policies and coverage that meet the requirements in the North America Amazon Services Business Solutions Agreement, or BSA. Browse each option, then select the policy and coverage that's best for your business. If you prefer, you can use an insurer not on our list, but make sure they meet all our policy requirements, including the following. The insurance policy must have limits that are at least $1 million per occurrence and in aggregate. The policy type must be commercial general, umbrella, or excess liability and written on an occurrence basis. We also accept policies written on claims-made basis for certain product categories if you can't get an occurrence-based policy. The policy must name Amazon.com Services LLC and its affiliates and assignees as additional insureds. The policy must cover all sales from products you've listed in the Amazon.com store. Unless you're a single-member LLC, your insured name on the policy must match the legal business name you have provided Amazon in Seller Central. You can view your legal business name anytime by selecting the Settings menu, clicking Account Info, and then clicking Legal Entity. If you're a single-member LLC, your insured name on the policy may also match the trade name you use publicly to identify your business. Take the time to review the full list of policy requirements before you purchase commercial liability insurance. You can find them by searching for our Insurance Requirements help page in Seller Central. While selecting an insurance provider, be sure you also avoid a few common errors. First, make sure that any provider you pick is based in the same country as the country of establishment address you provided in your seller account. For example, if your country of establishment address is in China, your insurer should be based in China. Next, if your seller account is in your individual name and you operate a single-member LLC, make sure the insurance provider you pick is based in the same country where your LLC is registered. For example, if your country of establishment address is in China, but you operate a single-member LLC in the U.S. with the same legal business name, your insurer should be U.S.-based. Finally, make sure that, regardless of their location, your insurer covers U.S.-based claims. Once you have commercial liability insurance, you can then submit proof to Amazon. On the Insurance Accelerator tool, click Upload Proof of Insurance. When submitting proof of insurance, make sure you enter exact, accurate information. And be sure to upload your one-page Certificate of Insurance, or COI, and not any other document. Start by entering the insurance provider name exactly as it appears on your COI. Look for the insurer, usually toward the top. Don't enter the producer if that appears on your COI. Then enter the name of insured exactly as it appears on your COI. This is your company name or your name. Look for the word insured, usually toward the top. Remember, this entry needs to match the legal business name you have listed for your Seller Central account. You can check your legal business name by clicking the link below the Name of Insured field. If you need to update your legal business name, enter a new name on the Legal Entity Account page. Then click the Start Tax Interview button to be guided through the changes you'll need to make to your business's tax status as a result of updating your legal business name. Note too that if you operate a single-member LLC and submit your LLC name as your name of insured using the Insurance Accelerator tool, your LLC name also needs to be entered as your business or trade name on your tax information interview. After entering your name of insured, make sure you enter your insurance policy number as it appears on your COI and choose the correct policy start and end dates. Finally, upload only the one-page COI and not any other document. For example, don't upload your full insurance policy. You can also use your COI to confirm the type of insurance you've purchased and the limits for your policy. Check the description of operations to make sure Amazon.com Services LLC and its affiliates and assignees is listed as additional insureds with the address P.O. Box 81226, Seattle, Washington 98108-1226. You can use this section to confirm that your policy covers U.S.-based claims if your insurance provider is based outside the U.S. If your insurer is based outside the U.S., make sure this section also indicates the territory your policy covers. For example, Territory Worldwide or Territory USA. After you click the Submit button, we review your COI and make sure everything looks right. If you have an additional insurance policy to submit to Amazon, you'll be able to submit it after your first policy is verified. This concludes our Get and Submit Proof of Commercial Liability Insurance training. If you'd like more information about commercial liability insurance and Amazon's requirements, we encourage you to review our Intro to Commercial Liability Insurance training on Seller University. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.